if you want perfectly dry clothes, first of all, you have to wet clothes first. Then it will dry perfectly. So if my husband arrived home and then checked the clothes, oh, it's wet, then it means I ironed it. There is also rain style pattern. It looks like half wet, half dry style.